In this video, we're talking about how to add a new section in FlowCV. First things first, go ahead and pick the resume file you want to work on. Once you're inside the editor, just take a look around the layout so you know where everything is. Then, over here, click the Add Content button. That's basically where you add anything new to your resume. For this video, I'll be using a fake resume just so you can clearly see the process without worrying about real information. From the list of options, I'll go ahead and click Profile. Once that opens up, you can simply copy and paste your text into the field. Take a moment here to read through it. Double check the grammar, spacing, and wording just to make sure everything sounds clean and professional. When you're satisfied, just click Done, and the new section is added instantly to your resume. And yeah, that's basically how to add a new section in FlowCV. Thank you for watching.